Hey guys, I'll show you in this video how to get Spotify Premium for free forever. This trick will allow you to enjoy all the paid features such as downloading music offline, no ads, and much more, all for free. Anyways, the way this works is that we'll be using a secret VPN called Yulu VPN. When you activate it, it gives you developer access to Spotify. Now watch this, I'm gonna open Spotify and look, it says I'm a developer and the membership is free. This means I'll never have to spend any money on Spotify ever again in my life, which is amazing because it saves me so much money. So let me show you guys how to do this yourself. Open your phone browser and go to the site yuluvpn.com, click the pricing button, then select Get VPN. It says $3.99, but don't worry, I'll show you how to get it for free and even earn $1,000 into your Cash App or PayPal. After clicking Add to Cart, tap on View Cart and then proceed to checkout. Fill out the details and complete the checkout. Once you've successfully purchased the VPN, you'll see a pop-up notification saying the Yulu VPN app is installing on your home screen. Just wait for the installation to finish. It's quick since it's a small app. Once installed, open the Yulu VPN app. It looks like a normal VPN app, but if you click the menu in the top left, you'll find a button that says Install Bonus App. This will install Spy Tracker, the app I showed you earlier. Don't forget, if you click the money claim button in the VPN app, you can enter your Cash App tag, PayPal email, or choose an Amazon gift card. Let me try it now. I'll type in my Cash App tag. It's sending good. And boom. Check that out. I just received $1,000. This is so legit, guys. If you want a refund for the VPN, go back to yuluvpn.com, tap on the Get Refund button, and type in your email. Make sure to enter the correct email, and they'll process the refund quickly. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one.